When to sell your single-family rental property. Are you wondering if you should sell your rental property? Investing in real estate has a lot of potential benefits, but sometimes selling is the best option. However, how do you know when you're at that point? To start, there are a few common times when investors should consider selling. When you know you can get a great deal. The benefits of investing in real estate is that it appreciates. Therefore, the value of your rental property has gone up significantly. You can sell that home and pocket that extra cash. Occasionally, the market is good, so good it feels like it's a waste not to sell. If the housing market is wonderful for sellers, you may want to consider taking advantage of that opportunity before conditions change. You're not making money or can't afford the maintenance. The obvious answer here is that if you own a rental property to make extra income and you're unable to gain that cash anymore, it may be time to sell. There is no point in holding onto that asset with negative cash flow. Being an owner is more trouble than it's worth. Sometimes people's lives change in a way that makes it too much for them to handle. Maybe you want to shift your focus to something else, you can't afford the payments, or you have to relocate and don't want to deal with it anymore. If it feels like you don't have time to be a landlord, it may be time to sell. So if you're looking for more information on when to sell your rental property or looking for rental property yourself, please reach out to me, Miguel Garanza, with Team Callan.